Good morning, champions. Today is not just a joining day. It is the beginning of a nationwide expansion mission for Turbojet Oil and Power Industry Private Limited. We proudly welcome our newly appointed business development officers who will lead the responsibility of appointing distributors and dealers across India and building a strong, result-driven lubricant distribution network. You are not just employees. You are growth partners, market leaders, brand builders. As a BDO, your mission is clear. Appoint strong distributors in every district, build an active and loyal dealer network, expand market reach in lubricant segment, achieve and exceed sales targets, represent Turbojet brand with honesty and professionalism. Remember, every distributor you appoint is a milestone. Every dealer you develop is a long-term asset. Every meeting you attend is an opportunity. Every target you achieve builds your reputation. Think big, act fast. Follow up daily, build trust, never give up. The market will test you. Targets will challenge you, competition will push you. But winners never stop. You are selected because we believe you can deliver results. Your district is your responsibility. Your performance is your identity. Your growth is our growth. Together we will cover every district in India, build a powerful lubricant distribution chain, create strong market presence, and make Turbojet a recognized and trusted lubricant brand nationwide. This is your platform. This is your opportunity. This is your time. Welcome to the winning team. Welcome to success. Welcome to Turbojet Oil and Power Industry Private Limited. We proudly introduce Gopiraman Kandare, Chindwara, Madhya Pradesh, Chandan Kumar, Samastipur, Sudipta Bhattacharjee, Burdwan, Santosh Kumar, Samastipur, Anuj Kumar, Siwan, Rishikesh Kumar, Begusarai, Prashanta Kumar Mohanty, Puri, Chandan Kumar, Sitamarhi, Samiran Biswas, North 24 Parganas, Sanjeev Kumar, Vaishali, Mukesh Kumar Sharma, Purvi Champaran, Sudip Kumar Dey, Paschim Bardhaman, Brajesh Kumar, Supaul, Tapash Saha, Kuch Bihar, Pankaj Kumar Paswan, Bhojpur, Rajnish Kumar, Sitamarhi, Alok Kumar, Sheohar, Sunil Kumar, Katihar, Ravi Kumar, Sitamarhi, Saurav Roy, Udalguri, Tanoy Chaturaj, Bardhaman, Avijit Dasgupta, Kamrup Metro, Milan Nandan, Hugli, Vishal Kumar Deb, Kamrup, Rafi Ahmed Mazumder, Kamrup, Metro, Pabitra Neog, Demaji, Ashish Kumar Moharana, Khorda, Vinod Chaver, Hopal, Ravindra Panditraj Kavishwar, Nagpur, Jitendra Kumar Navaid, Narsinghpur, Vivek Giri Goswami, Jabalpur, Mahendra Shinde, Bhopal, Sanghpal Bagde, Chandrapur, Shiv Charit Kushwaha, Satna, Vivek Mishra, Indore, Kush Kumar Sharma, Indore, Ujwal Kumar, Katihar, Vikram Kumar Singh, Gaya, Nitish Kumar Verma, Gaya Ji, Sonu Kachi, Umaria, Samir Kant, Supaul, Ratan Kumar, Katihar, Avik Jash, Purba Bardhaman, Mintu Mukherjee, Jamtara, Ripun Parida,